couple of things you could do is come meet my friends. Let's go meet your friends. Introduce me to your friends. Let's go dance. Let's go get some fresh air. AKA, let's go up to the rooftop. Or if we're at the rooftop, let's go check out the downstairs. Let's go check out over there. Oh, it's so loud in here. Let's go outside. Even if there's no rooftop, I'll literally walk outside. Sometimes there's a smoker section outside. Or even if there isn't that, we'll literally just go for a walk. Depends on where the venue is, depends on the situation. But any one of those things are ways that you can move the girl around. You want to think of it like adventure.
Yeah.
Exploration, adventure. Okay, like, and literally just be the leader. Move the girl around every 15, 20 minutes. Move her around. Let's go check that spot out. Let's go dance for a little bit. Dance for 2-3 songs. Let's go sit down for a little bit. My feet hurt. Let's go over there. It's too loud here. Let's go over there. It's so quiet over here. I want to hear some music. Let's go over there. It's like so fucking musty in here. I need some fresh air. You need to realize that they're trying to move before they actually move. Before they're actually like, okay, well, we're going to go over here now. Before that even happens, there's like micro signals that that's going to happen. Like the girl isn't fully locked in. She may, her body language or her feet, or she might be constantly looking over at her friends, or her friends are talking. They might be pointing at something. They're not like locked in chilling, you know?
Yeah.
Those are good indicators that I could already tell that maybe they want to go somewhere. Or if it's already been a couple minutes, I'll literally just be like, are you guys just going to be hanging out over here? Or what do you guys got going on for tonight? Oh, we were thinking about going checking out the upstairs. Yo, I heard it was actually fucking dope up there. Let's go check it out. I'll proactively figure out what they were about to do and just move my way into it and lead them to do that thing anyway. Oh, well, I got to go find my friends. Oh, where are they at? I think they're over there. Oh, let's go find them. Like, that's it.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
That's how you lead, even though, like, we're doing what she wanted to do. What you don't want to do is, like, do something that's, like, contradictory. If, like, they were trying to go over there and I'm, like, trying to, like, yank her away from her friends, it's not, like, there at that point, you know? And then the other thing is, like, the higher the attraction and the higher the girl's investment, the more control you'll have over the situation, the more influence you'll have. You know, it's the times where the set doesn't really hook that the girl's like, I'm going to go with my friends. But then there's other times, like last night with my client, like he had the girl really hooked to the point where the friend came over and was like, what's up? Are you good? And she's like, yeah, I'm fine. Go. And then the friends like went away. That's another thing you need to be aware of. Cause like oftentimes if the girl's really into you, there'll be these micro signs of like these moments where like the friends will just like look over at the target just for confirmation if they need to come safer or if she's good. You know, like they'll just do like a quick little check-in. And the girl's like, she'll just do this. Like literally that's it. She'll be like, and the friends will be like, we got to go save her. Like literally because they start to see that the girl's uncomfortable. Or while she's talking to the dude, like, yeah. Then they come in and save her. You know, and you need to be aware as you're talking to the girl, like, is she holding eye contact with me? Is she fucking staring over at her friends, calling SOS? Like, what's going on? The other thing is like not letting the vibe die out. Because oftentimes when the friends or the girl decides to go with the friends and move somewhere, it's because the vibe has died out and they're kind of sitting there and they're like, okay, we're going to go do this thing. You know, if they're like fully engaged and they're locked in, they're not thinking about that. So like, I would rather hook them, keep them engaged, and then I move in like 10, 15 minutes before letting the vibe fizzle out. Everyone's sitting there. And then as a result of that, they decide to move, you know? So ahead of time, I'm already like, what are you guys doing? Are you guys gonna be like chilling up here for a while? I'm already kind of seeing where their head's at. What do they got going on? Do they want to stay up here? Were they planning on moving? What's going on? While I'm doing that, I'm also still vibing with them. And then every so often, I'm looking for an opportunity to move around. Not constantly moving the girls, but I would say good rule of thumb is like every 15 to 30 minutes for sure. Like no more than like 30 minutes. 30 minutes is kind of long. I would say the first move could be very quickly within 3 to 15 minutes within the venue. Okay. And then if you're at that second spot, it really depends on where I'm at with the girl. If I'm like one-on-one and I'm locked in and we're in like a good setting, I might just stay there for a little bit, but I'm always thinking ahead. I'm always thinking about what's going to happen if this stays for the next couple minutes, whether that's the conversational thread, whether that's like the physicality, whether that's like, are the friends here? How are we away from the friends? What's going to happen if we're away from the friends for the next 5 minutes? Like If she's already looking concerned and looking around and on her phone a lot, it's probably a good indicator that if I try to move her somewhere else, there's going to be resistance. Or if I don't go acknowledge the friends are going to come in and pull her away. There's a lot of different like factors that could be going on. So you need to kind of keep all these things in the back of your mind at the same time, you know? It's a lot to juggle when you talk about it all, but like that's why the mentorship is set in different steps. You know, you need to grasp one concept before you move on to the next concepts. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And by the way, if you want to work with me personally to implement any of the techniques in this video to become more socially confident, get more women in your life, build a bigger social circle, and really just dominate life in any aspect socially, I can help you with that. I'm the guy for that, okay? Been doing this for a long time. I've transformed myself going from a video game nerd loser to becoming one of the top guys in the industry with this stuff, okay? So if you're interested in working with me personally, click the link below, click the link in the description, fill out the application, and we will be contacting you to discuss further details. Until next time, Coach Kyle signing out. Peace.